I think we definitely are looking for a historical house. Some character, we want a big front porch, but I think moreover, we want a sense of community.
Their all-in budget's $250,000, and they want to move to Mississippi, have a front porch on a big old house.
And maybe something that's a little scenic.
Okay, so this is the Wynn house, and it is winning.
Well, is it though?
I just wanted to say that. I've been wanting to say that since I knew we were going to show you all this house.
It
Okay.
looks a little rough.
It does look a little rough.
Paint's kind of scabby.
Scabby is a great word. So maybe it's not winning, but
Yet.
it used to be.
Okay.
There you
All
go.
right. The house is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,100 square feet. It's listed for $150,000, but Dawson and Katie Wynn built the house in 1915, and then they lived here for 60 years.
Wow.
He was an executive at the Eastman Gardner Lumber Company, which for Laurel history is royalty.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
I love that porch.
It's so pretty.
It's gorgeous.
It is craftsman style.
Oh, good God.
I love it. Oh my God. I love
Is that a good?
Yes.
Too much
Yes,
color?
yes, yes.
Awesome.
All right.
Oh wow.
Come see this beautiful
Oh wow. I love the
this?
hardwood
Okay.
floors. They're
Love the
gorgeous.
hardwood floors.
I love the color.
This is Laurel's signature floor.
I
Okay.
love them.
The heart pine floor, and they're all this color.
This is
It's
it.
beautiful.
And
Yeah.
this is not anything like formal.
No.
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, it's a strange layout. It's
Not,
not
functional.
at all.
So here's what I think. We take away all this cabinetry, get rid
Okay.
of it, get rid of the laminate floors.
Thank you.
And we lose this window. And in that place where the sink is, a new gas range with your vent there, all new cabinetry all the way around the room. Your refrigerator kind of stays in the same location, but we get new custom cabinets built around it. So your all-in budget is $250,000 for this house.
Okay.
But we do have a really historic house we want to show you.
Really old
Okay.
one.
I don't want to say too much because I want to explain it
Let's
in
just
person.
go.
Let's
Okay.
Let's go meet there.
Okay.
Let's go. This is an awesome house.
Wow.
Got some history.
Yeah, so this one is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,000 square feet. It was built in 1859 by the Fairchild family, and they still own it. It's listed for $150,000.
Wow.
This is a dog trot style house. Now, do y'all know what dog trot is?
Straight through, front to back.
Front to back. So you see here where the center door is? That was a hallway that went all the way to the back because it was so hot here. It allowed breezes to blow through.
This is really nice.
Doorbell on the door.
Pretty charming.
Nice.
See
I like
the
that.
door in the back, so the dog
Okay.
trot, this used to be all
Okay.
open all the way
Right.
through.
Got it.
So I want to start on this side of the house.
Okay.
This could be the living room.
I love
could
the
see
tall
that.
ceilings.
Tall ceiling.
Fireplace.
Fireplace
Yes.
is here.
Fireplace.
More and more kitchen this way too. Because this is too tight, too small, and you don't need that extra room, but it would be
Right.
great if the kitchen expanded into that room. But it's got great fireplace in the kitchen. It was here
Understandable.
originally, and then this modern insert was
Right.
popped in, and it's terrible. We'll get rid of that.
Okay.
But we have to lose this wall. These cabinets, these appliances, everything goes away. We just keep the beadboard on the walls. And we get new wood flooring. We build an island here in the middle between where these two rooms are now. And we put your sink in the island, have bar stool seating on one side, so it's still an eat-in kitchen. And then all new custom cabinetry on this wall. Your refrigerator would be built in kind of on this end, and your oven and hood vent. So you have a full run of cabinets all the way to a door in that room.
Either one of them could be the right house. We just have to figure it out.
It's like the town and country choice. Go ahead.
We bought the Wynn house.
Oh, in
Win.
town!
Yes. The other one pulled at our heartstrings, being out a little bit in the country,
But there's something about being in
In
town,
town.
especially when you're transplanting and you're starting all over. It's really nice to be connected with what's going on and
Yeah,
with the people.
Mitch,
So
Yeah.
So the Wynn house won you over.
the Wynn house was a winner.
it was a winner.
The stairs that are on the side of the house coming out off the kitchen, don't need it. We're gonna tear it down. I got it.
Got you. All right. Yeah.
The entire space that these windows are occupying is coming out. And we're filling that with double doors. Look at this party porch. This is awesome. We're not just putting in some like rinky-dink normal French doors. These are huge. They can have huge parties. They can have everyone they love over.
Shoot, that looks good.
Yes, it does.
This is gonna be a good party.
The front porch rail is gonna have the X pattern that you see in the dining room window. And I feel like that'll be a nice moment of connection between what we're doing that's new and what's original to the house. So then hopefully it feels like that handrail has always been there.
They have no idea what they're in for.
The big test.
All right, here we go. This is the big test. Load off.
Hey.
I feel like the zen with this house starts on the front porch.
This is working.
That's it.
Holy cow.
Wow. Okay, you're right, I
No.
cried.
You ain't saying nothing.
That is awesome.
Good.
I love the color. I love that
Good.
color.
Wow.
Look at the rail.
The thing about the railing is it made it feel finished.
Yeah. It ties the whole front of the house together.
It's beautiful.
Those are traditional Craftsman colors. I wanted to keep things traditional for the exterior. Before, it was not a Craftsman color
It was
palette at
ugly
all.
and plain.
Looks like home.
Holy cow. I can't even believe this.
Can we go show them what's on the porch?
Yes.
Yes.
You buy a Craftsman house.
Right.
A big part of it is the porch.
Yeah. Okay.
Can't wait for you to see this.
Okay.
Dude, oh, I'm never leaving.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
You've got your chairs.
Yes. Oh my God, I'm never leaving here.
Okay, you don't want to see the rest?
Well, no, I do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come in.
Don't look.
Y'all go ahead.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh, look at that fireplace.
That is perfect.
This is beautiful.
Look at.
The
That's
one.
the one.
I said
That's
had
the
to
one.
be in
Had
here.
to be
Had
here.
to be here.
That is beautiful.
Look at
Look
that.
the colors.
This is absolutely, that fireplace is stunning.
That is awesome.
It's really beautiful, right?
I love this color.
Do you?
This is so beautiful. I love
This
it.
is just gorgeous.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? No. Oh my God. This is over the top. Seriously, I can't even believe this.
Wow.
A dream. This is truly a dream. Look at the blue cabinets. Holy cow.
And the tiles are everywhere. This is awesome.
Look at that backsplash over there. Oh my God. It's perfect. It is absolutely
It's ours.
perfect.
This is your dream kitchen. The floors are
Love,
gorgeous.
love these
Listen.
floors.
There's a man named David who's lost 10 years off of his life doing these floors.
Truly stunning.
They're
I
really
mean,
beautiful.
Gorgeous.
I love these countertops.
They're beautiful.
I absolutely love them.
This is your kitchen.
Like, look at how big this kitchen is.
It's huge.
Look at how huge the dining room is. And you haven't even seen
Yeah, let's
what
go
we've
back on the
added
porch.
to your house.
Shut up. Oh my God. No.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
And stairs.
And stairs that go down.
Oh my
Oh my God.
This is
Look at it.
huge.
This is insane.
Who knew?
It should have always been here, right?
Right.
Yes. Picnic table.
This is perfect.
Y'all have a seat.
Grab a seat. This is our deck.
This
How
is
about this?
amazing.
It's lovely.
I love these crepe myrtles and
They're
how
beautiful.
the light is dappled on the whole porch. It's like
beautiful.
just enough
There's
shade.
shade everywhere.
Right,
Exactly.
right.
You got the house for $150,000. We put $100,000 in it, so you're all in at $250,000.
Wow.
Perfect.
That is
It's
that's
really,
amazing.
really